You know that feeling when you're sitting at your desk, staring blankly at a task in front of you, and suddenly you're overcome with an intense urge to organize your sock drawer or watch cat videos. Yeah, we've all been there. But have you ever stopped to think about why you're procrastinating in the first place? It's not just because you're lazy or lack motivation, as many of us tend to believe. In fact, research suggests that procrastination is a complex phenomenon that's deeply rooted in our psychology and behavior. According to Dr. Tim Pychyl, a psychologist at Carleton University, procrastination is often a coping mechanism that helps us deal with stress, anxiety, and feelings of overwhelm. When we're faced with a task that seems daunting or uncomfortable, our brain's natural response is to seek out distractions and avoid the task altogether. This is because our brain is wired to prioritize short-term pleasure and comfort over long-term goals and benefits. It's a phenomenon known as present bias, which was first identified by economists David Laibson and George Lowenstein at Harvard University. But here's the thing. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy or lacking motivation. It's often a sign of deeper psychological issues, such as fear of failure, perfectionism, or a lack of self-regulation. For example, research has shown that people who are prone to procrastination tend to have higher levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. They're also more likely to engage in self-destructive behaviors, such as substance abuse or reckless spending. This is because procrastination can be a way of avoiding feelings of shame, guilt, or inadequacy that are associated with not meeting our goals or expectations. So, how can we break the cycle of procrastination and start achieving our goals? Well, it's not just about willpower or motivation. In fact, research suggests that willpower is a limited resource that can be depleted over time. Instead, we need to focus on building habits and strategies that help us overcome procrastination and stay on track. One technique that's been shown to be effective is called the 2-minute rule. It's simple. If a task can be done in less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This helps build momentum and gets us started on the task at hand. Another strategy is to use the Pomodoro technique, which was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s. The idea is to work in focused, 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. This helps us stay focused and avoid burnout, while also providing regular breaks to rest and recharge. Additionally, research has shown that physical exercise and mindfulness meditation can be powerful tools in overcoming procrastination. Exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function, boost motivation, and enhance self-regulation, while mindfulness meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety and increase feelings of calm and focus. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually put it into practice? Well, the key is to start small and be consistent. Don't try to tackle a massive project or task all at once. Instead, break it down into smaller, manageable chunks and focus on making progress one step at a time. And don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up or procrastinate. Remember, it's a process, and it takes time and practice to build new habits and strategies. In fact, research has shown that self-compassion and self-forgiveness are essential components of overcoming procrastination. When we're kind and understanding with ourselves, we're more likely to take risks, experiment, and learn from our mistakes. On the other hand, when we're overly self-critical, we're more likely to become mired in guilt, shame, and anxiety, which can reinforce the cycle of procrastination. So, if you're struggling with procrastination, I want you to know that you're not alone. It's a common phenomenon that affects millions of people around the world. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome it and achieve your goals. Remember, it's not about being perfect or motivated all the time. It's about being consistent, persistent, and kind to yourself as you work towards your goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on psychology and human behavior. We've got a ton of videos on topics like productivity, motivation, and self-improvement, and we're always looking for new ways to help you achieve your goals and live a happier, healthier life. And if you want to learn more about the science behind procrastination, check out the link in the description below to a study published in the Journal of Behavioral Addictions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.